Mom's Meals is a meal delivery service that provides prepared meals designed for people who want convenient food at home. It offers different menus and meals tailored to various dietary needs. But the real question is it actually safe to eat? Now, to be fair, Mom's Meals is an established meal delivery company, and its meals are designed to be refrigerated or frozen and reheated at home. But with any prepared food service, food safety depends on proper handling, storage, and reheating. What it does well: convenient prepared meals. The meals arrive ready to heat, which can make eating at home much easier. Variety of options. There are different meal choices and menus designed around various dietary preferences and needs. Where the hype falls apart: food still needs proper handling. Prepared meals aren't automatically safe just because they're delivered. They need to be refrigerated or frozen according to the instructions. Delivery temperature matters. If refrigerated food arrives warm or has been sitting at an unsafe temperature for an extended period, that's a potential food safety concern. Nutrition varies by meal. Some options may be more balanced than others, so check the nutrition information rather than assuming every meal is equally healthy. So is Mom's Meal safe to eat? Short answer: generally, yes, when the meals are delivered, stored, and prepared according to the company's instructions. If your package arrives properly chilled and the food is within its stated storage period, there's generally no reason to assume it's unsafe simply because it's a prepared meal. But don't ignore signs of spoilage or questionable temperature control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.